Good morning, students. Welcome back in e-learning social science classroom. First of all, congratulations to all for the success of first semester examination. My dear students, from today onward, we are going to start our second semester with the chapter of respecting regional differences, chapter number 8. In this chapter, we will discuss about Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Rajasthan. Before starting this chapter, here is a story of Bhogpur village in district of Punjab. People belonging to different castes and religion live in harmony. There are no signs of any discrimination among different communities. They speak different languages like Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri, etc. They also celebrate many festivals together like Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, etc. Have a look about our country, India. India is a vast country. People living in different religions of our country have many different food habits, dresses, languages, religions, customs and traditions. Food habit of people depend upon the location, climate and crops grown there. Rice is cultivated widely in South India. Almonds grow in Kashmir and therefore form an important ingredient of many Kashmiri dishes. Our first topic is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a group of 572 islands in Bay of Bengal, but only 38 islands are inhabited by 6 groups. The capital of Andaman Nicobar Island is Port Blair. 6 groups of terribles, the Great Andamanis, the Zarawas, the Sentinels, the Ozes, Nicobaris, the Champans. Even today, they maintain their customs and traditions and live in harmony with nature. Next, art and architecture. In olden times, the islanders lived in caves, tree houses, or thatched huts. Some buildings were made during British rule. The cellular jail is most known building. Many freedom fighters were jailed here. The popular crafts are palm mats, showpieces, cane and bamboo wall hangings. Next is food habit. Food habit of Andaman Nicobar Islanders. They were hunters. There are no particular form of cuisine, but now seafood is quite popular here like fish, prawns, crabs, lobsters, etc. The increasing touch of the islands with the rest of India has popularized a great variety of food items here. South Indian food is quite common here. Rice is the staple diet of islanders. The crops grown pulses, oilseeds, vegetables, areca, mango, spota, orange, banana, papaya, cashew, etc. Spices like pepper, clove, nutmeg and cinnamon form important ingredient of the food habit of islanders. Dresses. In earlier times, the terribles did not wear clothes. The Sentinels terrible does not wear clothes even today. The Champans use clothes only below their waist, but many terribles have now started wearing clothes. The Zarawas use lots of jewelry to adorn their bodies. Their necklace, arms and waist bands are made of shells and barks of trees. Religion. The religion of Andaman Nicobar Islanders is animism. The follower of animism believe in ghosts, souls, and spirit. Now many people follow Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Dance and music. The islanders celebrate most Indian festivals like Durga Puja, Pongal, Panguli, Utrim, Onam, Mahashivratri, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, and Good Friday with dance and music. Nikobari is the traditional dance of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Osri feast known as Pig Festival. Osri feast is known as a Pig Festival. Next is languages. The most common language in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Hindi and English. Today, people also speak Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, Oriya, Gujarati, and Karen. The Karen language has a Brahmi script and alphabets. The Terribles have their own dialects. Only the Nicobari dialects has a script of its own. Do you know the harmonious blend of different religions, languages, and ethnic groups has made the Andaman and Nicobar Islands famous as Mini India. So, my dear students, this is the topic of Andaman and Nicobar Island. आप सभी बच्चों ने इस टॉपिक को बहुत अच्छे से रीड करना है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.